Fluid originated from an idea that we would have a practice that was collective, and it would have a much broader approach to engineering than a standard engineering firm. What that means is that we would collaborate with clients and with developers and with architects and artists, and we'd try and offer them a service that involved around being technically creative and not just a practice that prepared drawings and specifications and calculations. Well, we're very pleased that over the years we've won a number of awards, and those awards range from engineering awards or awards in architecture for collaboration with architects. We've won engineering awards. I can remember that we won the Institute of Structures Prize for exceptional engineering for a glass structure. We've won a number of RIBA awards for educational projects in collaboration with Allies Morrison and people like that. And so over the years we've kind of built up a reputation as a practice that does innovative and creative work.
I think the great thing about Fluid is they're actually interested in the process, not just the end product. It's actually the process of design, the process of putting something together. And that, I think, manifests itself in that working relationship that we have. I think they had that sort of mathematics to the art that we do together. And the biggest project we've done is University Square Stratford, and it's a sort of integrated university project. It was great, very successful. Won loads of awards, looks great. Working with Fluid has been a great experience because they're very interested in the detail. They're really interested in the way things go together, the way materials go together. They're very interested in using different materials, like aluminium, which you don't normally see engineers sort of get involved with. It's, you know, some glass. I think it's they are a company that would always look at a sort of different way of doing things.
I'm John Rayner, Director at Turner & Townsend, and I've worked with Fluid Structures since 2007. I've always found them to be reliable and responsive, with an innovative approach to engineering design and a desire to find the most cost-effective solutions for our clients.
Well, we started working with Fluid because they did projects which other engineers wouldn't or couldn't do. They work in a very collaborative way. They seem to understand what we want to achieve. We asked them to do some work on the Royal Festival Hall, which was at Riverside Canopies. And we just couldn't think of a way of making it except in solid metal. And Fluid had this idea of making it in two layers of metal, with pieces of metal welded in between, which solved all the problems and made a thing which seemed almost magical in the way it stood up.
If you think you need an engineering service, we'd be delighted to hear from you. So please arrange to come and visit us, and we'll have an informal chat and see how Fluid can help you with your project.